Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Joe Trovato, and each week we share industry insights designed to help you drive your real estate business, and I appreciate you being here with us. This week's insight is the fastest growing segment in housing right now is the renovation loan. It offers homebuyers a solution that helps them to obtain financing that covers both the acquisition and the rehabilitation of the home. For instance, if you had a home buyer that wanted to buy a home where the kitchen has been ripped out, in the loan, it can include the cost of an entire new kitchen. Cabinets, countertops, flooring, fridge, stove, oven, microwave, sink, dishwasher, garbage disposal, paint, and tile. Renovation loans also allow you to include the elimination of health and safety hazards, repair and replace roofs, gutters, and downspouts, improve the accessibility enhancement for the disabled, and make energy conservation improvements. Think about it, agents. How many times have you been in a car driving your home buyer around and you found the perfect home in the perfect location, but there was just a little bit too much deferred maintenance, and the home buyers had the money for the down payment, but they may not have had the money to complete all of the repairs? A renovation loan addresses that and bridges that gap. How many times have you had a listing where you would have gotten a much higher price and it would have moved and sold a lot faster if the seller would have been able to complete some specific maintenance items? Well, we can market a listing with specific improvements in mind. So there are a lot of reasons, many reasons why this is rapidly becoming a huge part of the market. And for those same reasons is why everyone on this call needs to start embracing renovation loans. Think about it. We see it every day. More and more REOs and foreclosures, which are vacant homes which need work. More and more cash-strapped sellers, which are either unable or unwilling to make simple improvements to attract buyers. Again, we can market those properties with specific improvements in mind. And there's a huge inventory. And don't forget the shadow inventory. So going forward, there's going to be an increased need and demand for these types of loans, renovation loans. Now, one of the biggest misnomers is that, Joe, I hear it a lot that, I was an agent, and at one point I tried to do a renovation loan, and it was a mess and took forever. Well, here's the deal. It should only take about 45 days to complete, and once it's completed, it closes. The real estate agent commissions are paid, the seller gets their money, and everybody goes on to the next loan. The second misnomer is that these are only for distressed properties or smaller properties. Well, we can do a renovation loan as low as $5,000, which could include new floors and a fridge. So it's anywhere from $5,000 and up. We have the perfect team to put together to administer the entire project to make it a seamless transaction. Here's a simple example of how it works. On a 203K renovation loan, if the sales price is $125,000, you have $25,000 worth of improvements. The total purchase and improvements is $150,000. The buyer only has to bring 3.5% of the $150,000, which is only $5,200. These loans are helping to create a win-win for both the buyers and the sellers in today's market, and I encourage you to please call me for our free renovation guidebook. It has a step-by-step analysis of what needs to happen. You can call me directly. My number's on the screen, 404-375-0779, or reach out via email or go to the web, joetrovato.biz. Thank you. And